A woman got charged for sneezing and bubble tea is officially cancelled. It's Thursday, April 23rd, and this is your Daily Ketchup. Boom. So yesterday, the number of positive cases of COVID-19 here in Singapore surpassed 10,000 for the very first time. A majority of the 1,016 new cases were work permit holders living in dormitories. We wish everyone who is affected by the virus a speedy recovery. In lighter news, during the recent press conference on Tuesday, a CNA reporter asking about McDonald's got cut off by Minister Josephine Teo, and it's getting quite a bit of attention.
When can we expect a peak in numbers from the dorms? Secondly, also for the McDonald's case.
See, like, she has to know that she's on camera. I secretly think that if I keep rambling on and on, my editor is going to...
Thank you, Cheryl.
So thanks to the circuit breaker, not only has McDonald's closed, but bubble tea stores have closed as well. So if you think about it, COVID-19 might actually do more for our fight against diabetes than all of the campaigns put together. Okay, but apparently bubble tea stores are coming back on May 5th, so never mind. So a woman was charged with harassment for sneezing at another at Ion. Now there's probably two camps of people here. One who's thinking,
yes, she deserves it, it's COVID-19, you shouldn't be sneezing on anyone.
And another who's probably thinking,
that's a bit harsh. Like, you might just accidentally sneeze on someone, right?
I'm about to convert the second group. The same woman is being charged separately for throwing the following items out of a condo: a vacuum cleaner, a plastic chair, and a globe. Like, firstly, why? But also, like, how do you even come across these particular items? Like, why? You have to go around your house to collect this set of items. This leads me to believe that she was trying to send a message. Vacuum chair world, vacuum chair world, vacuum chair world, vacuum chair world, vacuum chair world.
Thank you, Cheryl.
On a more heartwarming note, homegrown companies in Singapore, including us, are coming together to help those in need during this difficult time. You might have heard of SG Pays It Forward, an initiative led by NOC and Ninja Van. As I understand it, every care package contains a month's worth of everyday essentials like vitamin C tablets, antibacterial wipes, masks, sanitizers, and a bunch more. Each care package, including delivery, is only $25. So if you consider yourself blessed, do consider buying one or two care packages for those in need. So back to bubble tea. If you really can't get by without boba, there's actually some recipes online on making those bubble tea pearls at home. It's only 3 ingredients and that's if you count water. Why are we paying so much? So if you don't have a goat, try making those bobas at home.
Funny.
So that's all we have for today's catch up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and most of all, thank you, Cheryl.